So the first step of creating a Reconcile listing, you're going to have a Reconcile listing folder. This is a relist folder, but I'm using it as an example. You're going to have a picture of an item. My item is here, and this is the tag. You want to look at the mileage, which is 69861, and you want to try to find that in 6-bit. Okay, now I'm at the 07s and I didn't find my mileage for an 07 Carrera. And so now I'm going to look at the most, or find the closest one to an 07 Carrera, which happens to be this 06 Carrera 997. And so you click that, this is your template, and then you're going to follow all of the template steps to make sure that this matches your tag. So remove this tag. You remove by using the orange minus sign, and then you add your item. You can add the entire item and save a step. Just add all of your listing pictures right away. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I added my 12 pictures, and now I can view my tag. So now when I fill this out, it's going to match my tag. I'm going to make sure I have an 07 Carrera 911. This is the formatting for Carreras specifically. You always have 911. If it's any other kind of car, like a Macan or a Cayenne, it's not going to have anything here. 911 is equivalent to saying Carrera. So I'm replacing the S with a 4, replacing rear-wheel drive with all-wheel drive. Porsche 997, I do know that that is correct. Change my mileage. Okay. Now that we got our title to match, we also want our description to match. So I'm going to fill this out as well. I'm going to fill out the VIN number as well. I finished that VIN number. Okay, so that's how you would do the template. Now we're going to fill out our part information like we would do a normal listing. I just finished organizing the pictures, making sure that they're all rotated correctly, and I can record the part numbers now. I've just finished recording all of my part numbers in the notes and then in the title, so now I can check eBay. We're going to go with top convertible hinge for the title. the external item ID is 1000283. Then I only had to fill out the new listing records document with the tag number, part title, and then I filled in inventory 0, FIFO, and then each. So only to column L is what I had to fill out, making sure that you're always recording your folder name as well. Down at the bottom of the eBay master list, I've got my tag number recorded, my part title, and I've got my file location. Now we're going to skip 11 and fill out the description. I finished my description. And so now I need to add item specifics and fill out the eBay and store categories. So I filled out my eBay and store categories. And then I need to quality check my work. So I actually did quality check my work. I went back through, checked all my titles, my numbers that I typed, my description, my eBay and store categories. What I noticed was that my title was wrong. I had 2 LR, and the 2 needs to go right before the actual part, so it says 2 top convertible hinges. LR just means one's L and one's R. There's not 2 L and 2 R, so the 2 needs to come after the L and R. But that's how you're going to create your Reconcile listings.